Hey, I want to give you a quick and useful tip. I'm sure you already know what a singleton is, but if you don't, I have a video that explains it in more detail. In short, a singleton is a class where only one instance can exist. For example, we often have one game manager or one UI manager. Since there is just one instance of this, we can use a smart approach to access them without needing to manually instantiate or assign references. Now that we know what a singleton is, I want to show you a singleton class I made, a reusable and generic one. I call it just singleton. This class is generic and works with any MonoBehaviour type. If you want to use it with a non-MonoBehaviour class, you can either create a new script with a different base or use my pure singleton, which supports any regular C# class. The cool part is this singleton does the job for us automatically. There's also should persist property. If you override it and return true, your object will persist across scenes using don't destroy unload, so it stays alive when switching between scenes. I'm using this pattern in my project and it's definitely useful. It saves you from writing the singleton pattern over and over again in every script you need. And another benefit, in the Unity editor, I can clearly see which scripts are using the singleton. For example, my game manager inherits from singleton game manager, and that gives me easy access to it. Inside your derived class, you override awake and make sure to call base.awake. This sets up the singleton behavior automatically, and since it's virtual, you can also add your own custom logic if needed. Don't forget to override should persist if you want the object to stay across scenes. Just return true. Otherwise, it will be destroyed on scene load. For example, my scene switcher is also a singleton. I set should persist to true there because I needed to be active across the main menu, levels, and other scenes. And just like before, calling the singleton is simple. For example, game manager dot instance dot is game paused. No need to manually create or assign references. So that's it. I hope this helps. Let me know what you think in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Unity tips like this one. Thanks for watching and definitely use this in your projects. It's super handy.